DIYers, what's going on? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Hey, thanks for watching. Today we're talking Chrysler Pacifica, and we're going to show you how to install a spare tire. Thanks for joining us. Let's get started.
All right, DIYers, outside of the Chrysler Pacifica now, and we've already removed the front driver's side tire. And in the event that you want step-by-step guidance on how to properly and safely remove a tire, definitely check out the link scrolling above. However, we are not going to bore you with that in this video. We're going to gain access to the donut or spare tire, remove it from its compartment, and install it. Inside your trunk, you got that access panel or cover panel, and it's got a little handle here, and it's held on by plastic tabs. Set that aside. There's the back side of it, and behind that panel there is your very uniquely designed donut or spare tire, and it's got a styrofoam insert here, and down here is basically a circular cutout or shape for a finger to go and carefully release that tab here, and you can remove these two plastic portions of the clip. There we go. Inside here is additional hardware. Go ahead and counterclockwise turn and go ahead and remove this entire plate from the thread. And at all times, protect your threaded stud. Go ahead and shift the styrofoam insert out, and I will set that aside. And from here, I'll reposition the camera. There's the tire with the insert removed, and we will carefully remove the tire, again protecting the threaded stud. And again, be careful, the tire is a bit heavy. Protect your threaded stud. Carefully remove the tire, grab the bottom portion and the top, and simultaneously shift it outward. With the tire removed, you now have access to what's behind the tire, and there is the jack. Again, protect the threaded stud. Right now it is secured in the mount, and turn this portion counterclockwise and you can lower the jack, and you can carefully shift that out of the mount. And located in the styrofoam insert is your lever. Carefully remove that. With the lever in hand, on the back side you see this little tab right there. You see that? Go ahead and pull that out, and you can rotate the two bars on the hinge and fully extend the lever. And that is the portion that goes on the bolt of the jack. And turning it clockwise extends it or raises it, turning it counterclockwise lowers it. And if you're on the side of the highway without your more friendly household jack, this is what you will be using. Now to the tire, again, you can use this portion to extend or contract your jack, and just by shifting this up, you can also use this side. You can use this to loosen and tighten your lug nuts. And to get better access, you can actually rotate this outer bar to the 90-degree angle point. Let me give you a better view of it. Check that out. Pretty cool, huh? So this is a multi-tool, which is neat. In addition, if you are on the side of the road, you will need to add air to your spare tire, and in your trunk is a portable air compressor. That's what you'll use. What I did next, because I am at home, I'm not going to be using that jack. I put it back and secured it and tightened it in place in the brace or mount, and reinserted and secured the lever. And from here, let's direct our attention again to the donut or spare tire. Very unique design. And a quick walk around of it. And in the event that you do not see the recommended PSI reading or max, go to the inside door panel of your driver's side door, and there should be a sticker, and the information for your tire PSI should be on that sticker. In our case, it is 50 PSI. We are going to remove this and properly fill it to 50 PSI. I've added the air to the spare tire. I'm now going to install it on the hub. And secure it with the lug nuts. Go ahead and hand tighten them as tight as you can first, pushing on the rim to properly seat it against the rear hub. And here is a different view of the spare tire or donut installed on the hub. And I am now going to use my 4-way to tighten those lug nuts even more. After that, I'll carefully lower the vehicle on the spare tire, remove the jack altogether, and again, tighten all lug nuts until they are secured. At this point, I've lowered the Pacifica down on the spare tire and removed the jack and secured those lug nuts. And from here, I will load up the original tire and I will go get a brand new tire. DIYers, hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Alright, DIYers, we have made it, and our specific tire calls for no faster than 30 miles per hour. So definitely take into consideration and pay attention to that important limitation. We're at Bell Tire now, getting a full set. And And back from Bell Tire with a brand new set of tires. We are happy that we just chose to get a full set as opposed to just one. They had quite a lot of mileage on them. And real quick, when it comes time to put that tire back in the compartment, you must deflate it. It will not fit back into that compartment with air inside the tire. Again, you must deflate it.